Hey everyone, this is Max. Welcome to another workflows video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the TrueFalse card. Now, previously, I showed you how to use a number card, the text card, and so today, let's open this flow. Again, how to use the TrueFalse card. So I've got a number of cards and actions here, but you can always click the plus sign, and then you can, here we go, TrueFalse. And you can see all the sort of actions or functions that are available to you. But let's see what I have here. So the first one is a compare. So this one compares two numbers. So I have 100 is greater than, and then the number. Notice that there are a lot of different options that you can choose from. I use the greater than. Also, with the true-false card, most of them are very easy to test. If you click test this card, and then we can click test, then this is true. 100 is greater than 50. If we change this to 500, then this becomes false, right? Now the next card is also true-false compare, but notice now here is a string. Now if we go back, this is a number here, and then this is a string, and this is a string. So just be careful. You want to make sure you're comparing the same values. Now notice this is a hello, this is capitalized H, and this is lowercase. If I test, I should get a false. Right, it's false. Now if I change this to, and this becomes true. Right. Now next one is it says all false. So it will tell you if all the inputs are false, then it will become true. So what I'm doing here is I'm taking the value and passing it from the previous compare, and then this one here as well. Okay, so again, we can test this. So all false, 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 so this will be true. And if I change this to true, then this will become false. All right. So this is all false. Now this is any false. So as long as one of the inputs is false, this will return true. We can test this. So false, false, false. And then and then we get a true here. All right. So if any of them, we can, even if we change this to true and this one to true, this will still should be true. All right. I know it could be a bit confusing, but again, I think the testing really helps. So this one is an expression. So this allows you to write any expression, and then it will return a true or false at the end. If you need to get help, what you can write here, then again, I would click this help icon. Oh, nice. Let's do this again. Oh, again, this worked before. Okay. Let's, all right. It's not, let me try. Let's try this. Oh, here we go. So now it works. I'm not sure why I wasn't working for that card. But anyhow, you can click on help, and then you can kind of see what options you have and what operators you can use and so on. All right. We can just, I don't know, let's say return true. If we test this, we get true. All right, that works. I don't know. Let's try one more time. Oh, now it works. All right, we solved it, and we can delete this card. But hey, at least you know it's real. All right, so this is the expression, and what I'm doing here is, so this is 100. 100 is, we can change this to 99 just to make it, is greater than 99, and then we're negating the value, right? So let's test this. So this is true, and then we're making it false, right? That's what we get. All right. And finally, this is just an OR. It looks for at least one true, and then it will give us a true as the output. All right, so let's actually run this. I think sometimes running, especially this kind of a flow, because you can see how the value are passed, I think might make it a little bit easier. All right, so we can see 100 is greater than 50, so it's true. Then hello is not equal to hello because it's lowercase and it's false. Now we're saying all false, right? And so this is false because we have one true. Any false, then yes, because we have false here, false here. Then we're running our expression, we get a false. And then we're mapping data from previous cards. So as long as one of them is true. So this is true, false. So this will be true. All right. So I feel like testing it like this can be easier because you can see the actual values and how they're passed from card to card. But anyhow, that's all I wanted to show you. Let me just turn this off. For using the true and false card, hopefully this was valuable. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.